Hi guys, welcome back to Math with James. Today the problem is about finding the area of two combined triangles. So we basically have two triangles here. One is a right triangle with an angle of 40 degrees on the top, and the other triangle has two angles, 45 degrees and 5 degrees. And then the height of the first right triangle is 4. That's all we know about this problem. So if you really try to get the area of the first triangle and then the area of the second triangle and then combine them together, that might be troublesome. Why? Because we don't really know the base if we are at the elementary school level. And about the second triangle, again, we don't know the base, we don't know the height. But let's look at the things, the elements very carefully. We have a 45 degrees over here, which is quite a friendly degree speaking of triangles. And then you have a 40 degrees here and then a 5 degrees here. What if we can combine these two angles together and make a new 45 degrees? How can we do that? Let's think about it. All right, flip, right? We can flip the second triangle, the one on the top, to make this angle aligned with the top angle of the right triangle. Let's do it. Now it's flipped, and you can see we have 40 and 5 combined together to form a new triangle, which is 45 degrees on the top. There's no problem with that. And you have a 45 degrees on the top and a 45 degrees at the bottom. And it's pretty easy for us to prove that this line actually is aligned with this line. That means the outline of the new shape actually is a new right triangle with the other two angles 45 degrees respectively. And that tells us this other side of the right triangle is also 4. All right, bingo. The area actually is base, which is 4, times height, which is also 4 over here, divided by 2. 4 times 4, that's 16, divided by 2, that's 8. Alrighty, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.